Hey guys, this is Jessi and welcome to Hometown Homestead. So we are gonna this is our day one of Vlogmas. So we live in western South Dakota on a little farm. We have 10 acres. It's me and my husband Trent, and we have 3 little boys, and we started with some bum lambs, which are bottle babies that we got in the spring. And then we decided we really wanted to get into sheep. And we bought 15 ewes. So they're about a year old females, and they are targies. Turn that on. That's Nora, our milk cow, and her calf that she had over the summer, which we just posted a video of too. If you guys want to check that out. And let's see, where is Chloe? There's Chloe. Alright, so we hay on our property. We have about 6 acres that we hay, and we also hay a few of the neighbors, so that's pretty nice. And we like to garden a lot. We used to have a farm stand, so that was a lot of fun. We had a pumpkin patch out front, and with the kids this year, and this year we didn't really do it. Maybe next year. I don't know, we like to try out everything. We like to preserve food, grow animals. Anyway, we just thought it would be fun. We like to play with our tractor, go on quad rides. Not quad rides, side-by-side rides. But anyways, just figured first day I would show you guys around. So on our property, we hay small square bales, and they work great for us. They're easy, they're about 50 to 60 pounds, and we have a alfalfa grass mix. And this is the detached garage that was here, and we converted it a little bit into a barn. So that's what we got right now. Hope. Remy, are you being naughty? Sit down. Remy's about 4. We just got Hope. She's around 7, they think. Yeah, she's sweet. You're sweet too. You're just wild. There's George. Hi, sweetie. Hi. You say hi to everybody? He's a sweetie. Yeah. Fine. Regular annual stuff over there. Then we have herbs in these old lick tubs. This big strawberry patch. And that whole section is all garlic. We did this fence last year. garden shed. We have apple trees on the property. We make apple jam and apple cider. Okay, and honestly, you guys might see me ducking a lot because I live on the highway, and it's kind of silly when you're walking around with the camera by yourself. Alright, and our views here, guys, they are so nice. Alright, guys, so that's kind of about us. We're new to this, but it's been a lot of fun. I've met a lot of people, and it's really cool to learn from, the whole homesteading community, which is great, because if you're coming into this like we did, not knowing anything, YouTube, even prior to us starting this, has been very helpful. So I was just wondering, like, what types of things would you guys like to see, or questions you have? Please leave them in the comment section below. Any ideas of different videos this month, because there's gonna be a few. I don't want to bore you. I mean, if it's getting repetitive and silly, just let me know. I do have these. I bought a couple kits. I bought a couple kits from Cultures for Health. I have a coupon for them, so I will probably be videoing that this afternoon and get that up for you guys tomorrow. I have a kombucha starter kit, which is great because I've been wanting to try that. Be good for gut health. And I also did a sourdough starter. I've done them in the past and everything, but honestly, every time I've done them, 3 times, I go out of town within 2 weeks. Trent's supposed to keep it alive for me, and he kills it. And I'm a newbie with them, so I don't exactly know how to, like, bring them back. But a couple times, no way you're bringing them back. So anyways, I got the sourdough kit and the kombucha kit, starter kit. So we can try those, and I can get you guys that awesome coupon code, and we can go from there and see how that pans out. A friend of mine from 5 Dog Farm, she says she loves Cultures for Health, so hopefully it turns out well. All right, thanks guys. We will see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas. Happy December.